Today we're going to see how to change an order status in WooCommerce. This is one of the most common tasks when managing an online store, but it's also something that many users find confusing at first. In WooCommerce, every order has a status that reflects its current stage. For example, an order can be marked as processing, completed, or on hold. Changing the order status correctly is important because it affects how the order is handled, how the customer is notified, and how your workflow is organized. Let's start with the basics. Go to your WordPress admin panel, and navigate to WooCommerce, then Orders. Here you'll see the list of all your orders. To change the status of an order, simply click on any order to open it. Inside the order page, you'll find a drop-down field with the current order status. Click on it, select the new status you want, and then click Update. That's it. The order status has now been changed. Depending on your settings, WooCommerce may also send a notification email to the customer when the status changes. Now, this works well for basic stores. But what happens if your workflow is more complex? For example, what if you need statuses like in preparation, waiting for stock, or quality check? By default, WooCommerce does not allow you to create custom order statuses. This is where a plugin like SDP Custom Order Status for WooCommerce becomes useful. With this plugin, you can create unlimited custom statuses and adapt WooCommerce to match your real business process. You can also configure email notifications, define the order flow, and make your workflow much clearer for your team. For example, instead of moving an order directly from processing to completed, you could use a more detailed flow like this. Processing, then in preparation, then quality check, and finally completed. This gives you much better control over your operations. So, while changing an order status in WooCommerce is simple, customizing your order workflow can make a big difference in how you manage your store. If you want to learn how to create custom order statuses step by step, check the other tutorials on this channel. And if this video helped you, consider subscribing for more WooCommerce tips and tutorials.